Hello, greetings from Booneri TV. In today's topic of bizarre news, we'll see eye tattoo results in purple tears. What is an eye tattoo? Who did it? And what happened next? Let's find out. This woman is Kat Gallinger. She is a young model from Canada. She already had a lot of tattoos on her body. Yet, she wanted to take her tattooing interest to the next level and decided to get an eye tattoo done. Eye tattoo? Surprised? Yes, this is another form of tattoo. You might have already known about the ones done on the hands, neck, chest, legs, etc. Something similar to that is an eye tattoo, which is now becoming a craze. How is it done? In this kind of tattoo, a colored ink is normally injected into the eye just under the surface. A very high level of precision is required by an experienced hand to direct needle tip at the correct place. A little budge here and there can leave the eye blind. At the age of 24, Kat decided to get her eye tattoo done. So, on 5th of September 2017, she went to get her tattoo done. It was done by her ex-boyfriend. He was horribly inexperienced. What happened when Kat got her eye tattoo done? Take a look. The eye tattoo procedure did not go well for Kat. Why? There could be various reasons. One probable reason could be that the wrong needle was used, or possibly the ink was of poor quality, or it could be the master's negligence, or whatever the case would have been, but for Kat, it went wrong. The purple ink of her eye started to build up inside. Her eye was swollen and the ink was leaking out of the eye just like tears. Her eye and the area surrounding it caused her severe pain, for which she finally ended up in multiple hospital visits. It had brought the model so much pain and suffering that she had even contemplated having her eye permanently removed. She later admitted that she had done a mistake, as she had not researched about the tattooing procedure well before getting it done. She just hastily made the decision to get her eye tattooed. That's terrible. Is she the only one who had to suffer because of tattoo complications? Or were there any other experiences like this? Take a look. Another complicated case was of a 31-year-old man from Texas, USA. He had got a new tattoo done on his leg. And 5 days after that, he went swimming in the Gulf of Mexico. Every time a tattoo gun pierces your skin, the needle is opening a wound and another pathway by which germs can enter your body. This man, after he had gone swimming, just 3 days later, he experienced severe extreme pain in his legs. He was admitted to the hospital. Slowly, he started getting mounds of fluid. Internally, there was blood clot, and his organs began to fail. Eventually, 2 months after being in the hospital, he died. This teaches us a lesson that Our bodies are best when it's untouched with such tattooing practices just for pleasure, or doing body modification procedures like nose job, chin lift, Botox treatments, etc., because of body shaming might only lead to injury and harm.